10 o'clock class with William, 1 o'clock workshop with Sean, potluck, 6 o'clock we have the giveaway, first for the children, then for the adults. All the prizes are displayed. After giveaways, instantly go into Bartertown. And Jonathan will also be setting up tables and organizing that so that everything is in the correct area. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and bring up William. He's going to talk to you once again this weekend about how to raise your chickens or other animals on your farm.
Yeah, for the first time I used it last SRF, you gave me some for my lower back. And it took the inflammation and the pain away. I suffer from back pain due to a couple of unfortunate events from my time in the Army. However, at our last Midwest Preparedness Project, you gave me some of your DMSO with castor oil, and I had a broken toe, and my toe was swelled up twice the size that it was, and walking around being a show promoter and an MC, I have to walk everywhere. So I put some of that on my toe, and by that very night, which was 5 hours later, my toe was not swollen, I could bend my toe, the bruising was completely gone, all in one night. Now it's still there, it's still healing, but I now put that on every single day, and the inflammation is completely gone. I'm feeling great. I can springboard, I can run, I can jump and do all the things I couldn't do right before you gave it to me.